Hello, vacationers. In Fukushima, Japan, there seems to be this giant indoor water park called Spa Resort Hawaiians. And that's what apparently it looks like. The reason why I mention that is because I got the tour bus or the shuttle bus for this resort here. They seem to have probably been around in business for a while because these two buses are not the same buses. I don't know what's in this box because I didn't open it, but it's made by Choro-Q, and it's going to be a cartoon version of one of these photos, or maybe not even one of these photos. Let's see, how old is this thing? Standard 16. Oh, this is pretty new. So, yeah, 2016. This might be my Choro-Q Zeros are newer, but this might be my newest Choro-Q that's not a Zero. I wonder if they actually run both lines. I wonder if they actually sell Choro-Q Zeros next to these standard ones. Probably. Why would they destroy the molds if they can sell them again and again with different liveries? Alright, boy, looking at the front end of this thing, it's got these anger lights, and then it's got three fog lights, and so neither of these buses match that. It's closer to this one's headlights, and also the swoopiness of this window glass. Yeah, but it's definitely still different. Alright, well, no photos to really compare to today, but it is a cartoon version of something anyways. So I may have possibly seen these wheels before, these bus wheels. They're quite nicely done. Like, they're realistic model nice. I mean, look at all this, the lug nuts outside, some detail inside, those holes there. So pretty neat. The thing has rubbery tires because this is a pullback toy. This is a coin slot holder if you're unfamiliar with ChoroQs, so you can make it do wheelies with some weight in the back. Seems like this side is pretty much flat. Well, I take that back. It looks like there's a little bit of a molded fender flare here. There's some molding going on. But the majority of it is flat because I guess modern buses are trying to be aerodynamic anyway, so they try to go for flatness. But everything printed on it looks pretty good. I mean, we have all these colors, these flowers, the logo looks good, and so inside you can see a bunch of seat rests back there, and then I think there's actually stairs you can see. That's a first. Alright, the front end, yeah, this whole body I think is made of this clear plastic, so these are clear as well, these lights. But then they added the paint for all on top of it, including this license plate, number 801. Okay, seems to be a steering wheel there, and a half of a driver's seat. This side, no door. Looks alright though. I like the tail lights. They have, some molded details on top, as well as the red paint, of course. A little silver accent crossing there. The license plate's printed on. The third brake light, and then you can still see some seat backs through that window. And then we got, this is a sticker, this Aloha thing. So that's kind of weak. Would have been nice if it was tampo printed. But I don't know how much this thing really cost. I'm gonna assume this is probably sold at the gift shop of this resort. It's pretty nice though. I mean, look at all these details in the air conditioning unit. These fan details, the gray paint, some little running lights up there. So this is the only weak thing here, this little sticker. But even if that sticker wasn't there, all this is tampo printed, so that's not going to fall off. Okay. Yeah, it says 06 here. Screw, a tab. You can see some of the molding of the stairs past that thing. So, okay, I think it looks pretty nice. It's different from all my other buses as far as the mold goes, so that's why I got it. So, speaking of which, we should probably take a look at some other buses here. Oh, that's way too fast, right? Alright, so it's kind of a modern bus. So here we have a Hino Poncho, I think it was called, and that's like a city bus. Quite short in comparison. Here's an E-Wing bus. I think this is like an airport shuttle bus, if I recall in my video review. And this one has a different type of bus wheels. They're chromed, obviously, but they seem to be less detailed than what's on this one. But still pretty nice. What about this one? This is different wheels as well. So all three of them are quite different. Another smooth bus here is this Hokoto bus. I can't remember. Possibly an airport shuttle bus as well. This one I did 3D print my own wheels, and I have putty fixing them in place, so that's why the bus looks so low. It's literally a lowered bus. Alright. And then a modern double-decker bus. This is made by Q Bus, it says on the bottom. I think it's made by Tiny. I got it off eBay. If I recall, it was listed as a Tiny Q Bus. Alright. I think that's it for the comparisons. Try to get you a top view there. So as far as these short buses go, this is actually longer than the other three, it seems. Let's let this guy spin on its own. What character shall we pull out today? We got a young Lando Calrissian today. We're taking a ride. Why is this solar thing taking so long to get going? So another interesting casting from Choro-Q. It's well molded. There's molded detail on all sides of this, whereas the other ones, they have a lot of smooth flat surfaces and are just using printing to make them look three-dimensional. This one is using both. It is three-dimensional and printed. Alright, well, I guess I'll see you guys the next time again on the bus. Thanks for watching. Bye.